You're about to embark on a thrilling adventure, a journey to a foreign land, perhaps. Or maybe you're simply planning a shopping spree across the border. Either way, one question looms large: how are you going to manage your money? Cash? Definitely not. Credit cards? Sure, but what about those pesky conversion fees? Enter YouTrip, the darling of the travel and finance world. But here's the burning question: how much does it actually cost to load up your YouTrip card? Let's dive in. Now, YouTrip has managed to capture the hearts of many travelers with its promise of fee-less transactions and competitive exchange rates. But let's be real, fees have a sneaky way of popping up when you least expect them. So, is topping up your YouTrip card one of those instances? Let's break it down. First off, the good news. If you're a fan of Pay Now or debit cards, you're in luck. YouTrip doesn't charge a single cent for topping up your account using these methods. It's like finding a hidden treasure chest filled with free money. But wait, there's a catch. Or rather, a change. As of December 2021, YouTrip introduced a 1.5% service fee for top-ups made with Visa credit cards. It's a small price to pay, considering the convenience of using a credit card, but it's definitely something to keep in mind. So, if you're planning on using your credit card to load up your YouTrip, be prepared to part with a small percentage of your hard-earned cash. But let's not stop there. While the 1.5% fee might seem insignificant, it can add up over time, especially if you're a frequent traveler. So, is it worth it? Well, that depends on your priorities. If convenience is king and you don't mind the extra fee, then by all means, use your credit card. But if you're looking to maximize your savings, sticking to Pay Now or debit cards is the way to go. There's one more thing to consider. While YouTrip doesn't charge for top-ups, except for the Visa credit card fee, it's essential to check with your bank to see if they impose any charges. Some banks might slap on a foreign transaction fee or other miscellaneous charges. So, before you start loading up your YouTrip, do your homework and make sure you're getting the best deal possible. To sum it up, YouTrip is generally pretty generous when it comes to top-up fees. Pay Now and debit cards are fee-free, while Visa credit cards come with a 1.5% charge. But remember, hidden fees can lurk in unexpected places, so always double-check with your bank before you top up. Now, you're armed with the knowledge to make informed decisions about your YouTrip spending. Remember, travel is about experiences, not about getting caught in a web of fees. So, choose your top-up method wisely and enjoy your adventures without worrying about unexpected costs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.